Simon Bailey. I'm a sprayer operator for Velcourt, Norman Court Contracting. I've been working for Velcourt for just over 14 years as a sprayer operator. I've been spraying for about 20 years. I'm one of two sprayer operators at Norman Court Contracting. I drive the Sands Horizon 55, which has a 5,500 litre tank, 32 metre booms. I have a Ag Leader Integra rate controller and section controller computer. The other sprayer is a trailed Horsch Lieb LT 6000 with 32 metre booms as well. So I've made a few modifications to the sprayer itself. I've put on some drainage pipes onto the side of the boom. I cut my induction pipe, my suction pipe, into two lengths, equal lengths on either side of the boom to keep it balanced when the pipes are on the machine. And they can be easily pulled out and used to fill the sprayer without having to roll them up and tie them up with some rope or find somewhere else to store them on the sprayer itself. When I'm filling the sprayer up, I often have several different things that I've either modified or got hold of. It's a can rinse from one of the chemical companies, and I've actually cut the grooves out bigger so it fits perfectly onto the Roundup cans that we use. They're ready to go. Got knives to open up the boxes, and foil removing tools and brushes for keeping the induction hopper nice and clean. Another can opening device that I've cut to size so it fits inside the boxes nicely when trying to open the cans. I try to keep the cans inside the boxes so that they don't get knocked over quite so easily. I've also changed the spray gun that came with the spray originally to an ordinary garden hose one that has several different types of outlet. My PPE locker, where I keep my gloves, I've got nice little plastic tubs put in to keep everything in order in here so it doesn't all move around. And any water and residue that's on the gloves when they go back into the box is collected in the pot, which can then be taken out and disposed of. I also have some eye wash bottles that live here in a plastic bag so they can easily be got to just in case there's an incident. One of my other top tips is when I'm filling the sprayer up, I have plenty of jugs which allow me to pour out all the various different measurements of the different chemicals. I'll then place them in an organised fashion around the induction hopper so that I can have everything organised and ready. Then I can double check with my notes that I've got the right amount of everything going into the sprayer. There's no need to wash out the jugs between the different types of chemicals, and it just gives you an opportunity to make sure that everything is safe and in the right quantities before you put it into the sprayer. The jugs, if I'm not in a bunded area, I have some plastic containers in the chemical stores at the various different sites. One goes underneath the overflow from the tank just in case there's a foaming issue. Another one will go underneath the induction hopper to catch any spills or drips from the induction hopper when filling up. And the other one will go to the side, and I can use that to put the jugs into the boxes, into the plastic container, so that if there's any spills, it's contained within the box that can then be rinsed and washed back into the sprayer, and there's no need to clear up the spills.